Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are out there, um, you know, relaxing with your family right now. It's a little nerve-wracking to be trading right now. So if you're out there trading, good luck to you. I did buy some dips today, though. I bought some more Litecoin. Hey, by the way, guys, that cheap Litecoin that I bought today is one is the like is one of those Litecoins is actually gonna be one of the giveaways. So yeah, so I bought some of that. Bought some Litecoin today. I bought some more Chainlink and I bought some Band as well. Those are three that I bought today while they're on these dips. These are projects that I believe are going to be going up. Uh, but what I didn't buy and what I didn't send is Ethereum. Ethereum gas fees are up 7,000 since 2020 began. 7,000% since 2020 began. But Vitalik thinks this can be solved. And we talked about this briefly on the podcast earlier today too. So that's just something right there. Ethereum, they got to do something with that. All right. But guys, it says the cost of sending transactions on Ethereum has exploded over the past few months as the network has reached an all-time highs in terms of transaction capacity and demand due to growth in the decentralized finance sector. Now, according to Gas Now, the cost of gas, how transaction fees are calculated, has reached about around 700 GWEIs. This is 7,000% higher than this figure was at the start of the year, when Ethereum was barely congested with little DeFi adoption. Now, at this point, it's unfeasible for retail investors with hundreds of dollars of holdings, or maybe even a bit more than that, to regularly make transactions on the Ethereum network. For context, here is the price of basic transactions on Ethereum at 700 GWIs. So $7 to send $7 to send ETH from wallet to wallet, $15 to send ERC20 tokens, $60 to trade a coin on Uniswap, $120 to deposit stable coins into Yearn Finance Vault. This is true because, man, I've been spending on Uniswap on the average in the last few days. I was spending like 37, 38 bucks, just to swap tokens, get some ERC20 tokens. So it has been very expensive. So unless you're buying something for the long run, I would say try to sit on the sideline right now. It's very expensive to go in and out, unless it's like something that is going to be a for sure thing. Like, like I said, last week and early this week, we was buying things and it was going up, 70, 80%. So that's, it's like, okay, yeah, I'll pay, 30 bucks, 30, 40 bucks to get that, you know what I mean? And knowing I'm going to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So that's something, to think about. But if it's something to where as you say, oh yeah, I like this coin, I'm going to buy it, it's just really not worth it. You know what I mean? Unless you see it's going to moon basically in a very short period of time. But, I don't want to tell nobody what to do with their money, but that's just how it is. So it says it just don't make any sense if you're going to do it like that. But, and keep it put because, as you see right here, it's saying just to send ETH from wallet to wallet gonna cost you $7. So it depends on how much you got. That could be a big percentage. If you got a few $100 in ETH or maybe $100 in ETH, you got $100 in ETH, it's gonna cost you 7%. Now, are you willing to lose 7% just to send it? If you got $100 in ETH, it don't make any sense. So I'll keep it. Just let it stay put right now. So this, of course, is unsustainable for most users, but there are solutions their way. Now, Ethereum's transaction fee issue won't last forever. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, addressed high transaction fees in an extensive Twitter thread on September 1st. First and foremost, he noted that raising the Ethereum block size isn't a short-term solution due to security risks in block propagation and the efficiency of nodes. And he says, however, increasing capacity is hard to do safely. Ethereum nodes are already running near their limits, and there are always the risk of DOS attacks that are much slower to process than regular blocks. Slowing the chain to a crawl, higher gas limits would exacerbate this. Now, and guys, I mean, I'm with him on this. I'd rather have safety than cost. If the fee's gonna be higher, it's much better than to have these issues going with Ethereum. Ethereum has been a very great platform. That's why so many people are building their dApps on top of the Ethereum blockchain. So I'd rather have that. I don't want to risk it just to have lower fees. Like my Ethereum, Ethereum is it's something that you want to hold on to. It's something you want to hold on to for the long run anyway. So, but so you see right here, he has in his tweet, he said, quick thread, supply on demand and demand economics, and why certain naive solutions to high gas prices won't work. And you guys can see here where he has it fast and standard and safe low. So, I'm with him on that there. I agree with him 100%. Now, it says a short-term solution that Buterin believes is viable right now is a new Ethereum improvement proposal, number 2929, which would increase gas costs of some particularly sensitive operations, making it safer to increase gas limits. This is only a short-term solution that he sees reducing transaction costs to be around 25%. Now, medium-term solution he is eyeing is the so-called technology rollups, which are basically Ethereum's equivalent of the Lightning Network for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, that happened a few years ago, Lightning Network. And man, a lot of exchanges haven't even adopted it yet. So that's something to think about too. So in a roll-up heavy ecosystem, on-chain gas fees would remain the same, and 465 GWEIs may even become a norm. Now, but most transactions will be happening inside roll-ups where actual fees paid by users would be hundreds of times lower. Now, and on a long-term basis, the introduction of sharding with ETH2 should increase the capacity of the base layer by 100x, which should reduce fees by dozens of percent. And the only solution to high transaction fees is scaling. Teller, Gitcoin, and other apps are going the right thing by migrating to ZK rollups. Today, I'm excited about the soon upcoming optimistic rollups that will generalize rollup scaling to full EVM contracts. Now, high fees are hurting DeFi. Extreme gas fees caused by network congestion pose a security threat to Ethereum and DeFi. Now, in March, when the crypto market capitulated, the MakerDAO ecosystem became critically under collateralized due to how loan positions were incorrectly liquidated, resulting in a fear that DeFi was going to collapse. Yeah, guys. So safety is everything. And even though we're gonna get through it, guys. I remember a few years ago, Bitcoin fees were really high, Ethereum fees were really high as well a few years ago, the gas fees. So we're gonna get through it. If you hold on to ETH, just don't send it. If you really have to send it, obviously, if you're making a lot of trades and you get on the exchange and you made a lot of you got a lot of good gains, and you want to take your ETH off and you trade it into ETH, you want to take that ETH off of the exchange into your wallet, then it's worth it. It's worth spending the gas fees, right? But if you're just moving ETH around, moving around, then it's gonna be very costly. And on top of that, if you are swapping out ERC20 tokens and you're trying to purchase and you're doing a lot of things like that, just make sure you're doing the right thing, and it's not, you're not killing your ETH positions by trying to do a lot of trades, especially through Uniswap. So guys, let me know what you think about this here with gas fees up 7,000%, man. This is crazy, but that's the cost of the game. It's we did a podcast earlier about this, episode earlier on our podcast about this here with ETH prices. And I know Tron trying to come in, and Tron is trying to steal some of ETH's people. So tokens, shall I say. And you know, they're trying to see what they can do. They're saying they're much cheaper, blah 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 blah. So we'll see how it all play out, guys. I'm waiting on ETH 2.0, and I'm looking to be staking on ETH 2.0. And yeah, guys, I think it's a great thing. But guys, before we leave, make sure you guys go out, check out our website, www.cryptoblack.net. Go check out the website, guys, and then take the course if you're brand new to cryptocurrency, as well as go check out our podcast. Our podcast, we're on Apple, we're on Google Play, we're on Spotify, we're everywhere you can find or listen to any type of podcast. We're there. So, and and our podcast is called The Crypto Black Podcast. And guys, make sure. I think the thing is up until end of September. Guys, make sure you guys go to crypto.com. The link is below, and buy some of that crypto. Why? And you buy it. The fees is waived right now, so I believe up until end of September. So guys, make sure you guys go over there, click that link, sign up, get your card, your MCO card, should I say your CRO card. And it's much cheaper now too. I believe CRO is about 15 cents. So you can actually get that get your card, and I believe the Ruby Red card, you can get that at about $150 now. So guys, check that out there. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And once we reach 200 subscribers, guys, we are going to be giving out one Litecoin. Like I said, I bought another Litecoin today. So so we'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Stack, Sats, and Chill. Crypto Check Your the group Crypto Black. We out here, baby.